Hey guys, this is another request from Perpetually Annoyed. Maybe this will stop her from being perpetually. She'll only be occasionally annoyed after she gets this recipe. Apologies for the bad jokes. This is Taco Bell Copycat nacho cheese sauce, veganized of course. I used a whole package of the Violife cheddar shreds. Let's see how many. 8 ounces. 8 ounces. You can probably use whatever your favorite cheddar cheese is. If you can't get shreds, you could probably use the slices. You know, just melt them up. I also used a half a cup of soy milk. You could use any plant milk. I just happen to have soy, unsweetened soy. Now, if I were to do this for myself, this is basically like melted Cheese Whiz or melted Velveeta. And the recipe I have where I took the cheddar cheese and melted it up with water and sodium citrate, that would be excellent. But I figured you may not have sodium citrate, you may not like sodium citrate, you may not like the idea of it. It's a salt. It's just a citrate salt of, sodium, but some people don't like it because it sounds like a chemical. So I decided to just use a plant milk. And I used about 3 tablespoons of the jalapeno pepper brine. No peppers, just the brine. You may want to tinker with that. Just start with 1 tablespoon and see how spicy it is for you. 1 to 2 tablespoons might be a good start. I went to 3. I also used 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you like it spicy, you can put more. If you don't, you just put a pinch or none at all. But don't skimp on the jalapeno brine. I looked at a lot of copycat recipes, and they all seem to, add that. So do use the jalapeno pepper brine, but tinker with that too. 1 to 3 tablespoons. Put 1 in at a time and mix it up and see how you like it. Just melt everything up over medium heat. And let's see. Oh yeah, 2 pinches of, I used monk fruit sugar. You can use any sweetener you want. And 2 tablespoons of homemade vegan butter. You can use Miyoko's. I can't guarantee what it would be like if you use something like, say, Earth Balance or, Country Crock, something like that. Those are not, I don't consider those butters. Those are margarines. Miyoko's is a butter, and my homemade recipe is a butter. So use that. And I'm having it. I know that they don't have these at Taco Bell, but these are my favorite corn chips. I love these. They are seasoned with soy sauce. And let me see. Does it say there soybean oil? Soy sauce. Have a corn chips. Havea. I don't know how to pronounce that. Have a corn chip. You're not just going to have one of these. These are addictive. They're really good. And so now I should dip it in and have... I already know it tastes good, but I'll do a demonstration. Nice and thick and creamy. It's so good. I don't think I ever had nachos at Taco Bell, so I really have no clue what the cheese sauce is supposed to taste like, but this is really good. Now, I find that the cheese is salty enough for me. If it's not salty enough for you, add a pinch of salt. It's Taco Bell. They probably have MSG in here. I didn't put any MSG. If you don't have a problem with MSG and you want to put a little pinch of MSG and go for it, that may give you the taste you're looking for. I used to cook with MSG, but I can't anymore. I've become allergic to it since all this all these antibiotic ordeals, I became allergic to a few things, and MSG is one of the things that I cannot add back to my diet, which is too bad because, I mean, it's lower in sodium than salt, and I don't otherwise have a problem with it. It's just that I can't eat it anymore. It makes me puff up. There it is. Sorry. Talking with my mouth full. And there it is, the Taco Bell Copycat Nacho Cheese Sauce. Veganized. Thanks for watching. Thanks especially for watching till the end. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. I'll put the recipe on my blog and link it in the description. And see you later, guys.